What are you doing?
Oh! Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. We must attack the fort tonight.
Ow! We shouldn't attack anything.
He told me we must do it together.
Oh, give me a break. The Great Turkey? Ooh, he's a voice inside your head.
How dare you? There is nothing inside my head. The Great Turkey is real. I saw him with my own 2 eyes.
The more you say that name, the dumber it sounds. I mean, ugh.
The Great Turkey is the greatest turkey that I know, and you will never be as great as the Great Turkey, who is the greatest turkey. Okay. I'm sorry, Reggie. I didn't grow up on a nice, free-range farm. I grew up in a cold, clinical factory. From the time we were born, we were fattened up on formula. Except for me. My mother kept me hidden from the humans.
Is it time?
Yes, sweetie. Now, these eggs are our future, Jake. Take them and run, and don't stop until you find a safe place to start a new flock.
Mama, I'm scared.
I know you are, dear. But I need you to be brave now.
We're so proud of you. Here you go. Careful now. Jake, Jake,
Stop!